Delhi's air has literally turned into poison. And one thing is very clear in this whole crisis. Leaders like Rekha Gupta are loud in front of the cameras but completely absent where real work is needed. Look at today's numbers. AQI between 380 and 450. Wazirpur at 440. Jahangir Puri and Anand Vihar back in the hazardous zone. PM 2.5 levels 20-25 times higher than the WHO limit. We are not breathing air anymore, we are inhaling toxic dust. And in the middle of all this, what is Rekha Gupta actually doing? Nothing except performing for the cameras. No concrete plan, no roadmap, no measurable targets, no urgency. Just political noise that doesn't clean the air or solve anything. Let's talk responsibility. Her party ran the Municipal Corporation of Delhi for 15 straight years. In that time, no proper waste management system was built. Industrial emission checks barely existed. Massive landfill fires continued every year. Air monitoring infrastructure never improved. All of these are major contributors to pollution. And all of them fall directly under their jurisdiction. So when Delhi is choking at AQI 450, when people can't even breathe properly, the obvious question is, what exactly have you delivered for this city? Because on the ground, the truth is simple. No new steps. No new initiatives. No emergency interventions. Just optics and presence on TV. Turning a pollution crisis into a political opportunity. Without doing actual work, that has become the pattern. And people have finally had enough. That's why citizens are showing up at Jantar Mantar on their own. Because they know solutions won't come from leaders who are completely disconnected from ground reality. The truth is, Delhi needs work, planning, execution, responsibility. And people who are only busy with political optics will never understand the urgency of our air crisis. If this style of leadership continues, Delhi won't stop at AQI 450, it'll hit 550 next. And we'll all be stuck asking the same question. When will anyone take accountability?